Garbage Truck Center. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
What are we going to play today?
We're playing Garbage Trucks today.
Ooh, and how many garbage trucks do you have? How many different ones?
I have a lot.
All right, which one are we going to start with? And I see you have all your garbage all piled up. I guess it was midnight in the neighborhood, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. And the blue one has, what goes in the blue garbage can?
Paper.
Paper, and what else?
And glass, and plastic bottles, and cardboard.
Ah, everything that can be recycled. Let's see what you got in here. Oh, got it. You got trash everywhere and recycle stuff everywhere. Let's see what you have in this one. Oh, this is definitely recycled. We got plastic and paper in that one. And you got more paper in that one. Show me. Wonderful. Oh, this is going to be great. And these are all the little towns in the neighborhood. All right, well, which truck is going to come out first? Got all these trash trucks. What we got coming out first, Markie? Ooh, all right.
Grab a report.
Ah, I got a dead fish. Where does the fish go? Oh. The fish is gonna go in the pool and the trash one, right?
Yeah, tomorrow.
All right, let's do this.
This is the route.
Okay, let's follow the route. Oh, you guys saw the garbage can just fly out? Remove from the garbage grabber arm. Ooh, oh, look, we got stuck. Let's look. I think it's okay, huh? The next one. Oh, super cool. So you picked up this house's trash now.
That's ours.
And you're gonna move on to the next house.
Beep, beep, beep.
Nice. All these different cans you have. There's a lot of trash in this neighborhood. My goodness. There seems to be a lot of trash in the neighborhood, huh? Are you doing a back loader there?
No, I'm doing the side loader right there.
Here's the garbage man. Oh, tell us what happened, Markie.
I fell in. I had some broken ones. No wood, and then I got some wood. The skateboard is sticking out. What is happening?
What's happening? Oh, one of the bins fell, so it's gonna get stuck. Move into this. Whoa, look how full that one is. Oh. You got it. The grabber arm has it.
Trash fell out.
Hmm?
Trash
You'll get it, right? That's the garbage man. Hi, Mr. Garbage Man.
Hi.
Here's another guy. We always pretend this is Markie following the garbage trucks.
Yeah.
This is the one we pretend it to be you. And there's the garbage truck man. Oh, he's got a lot of muscles. Oh, did you see that? Is this one of your favorite trucks in your collection? Whoa! You saw how that garbage... He collected all of it. Oh, he's done. So that guy's gonna go to the trash center. Now you're gonna have, oh, look at all that trash that's in there. Is this the dump?
Yes.
Which one comes next? The blue one? This one? Or this one? Markie's got all his trash trucks up here. Who's this guy? Okay, blue one's coming. Recycling. And what kind of trash truck is this? Because it's different, right?
Fernand loader.
What is it?
Fernand loader.
Oh, so tell me how this one works.
The driver's in the front. It's called a Fernand loader. It's kind of like a side loader or a front loader.
Okay, and the grabber's in the front?
Yeah, and then when it's so full, it dumps in here.
Oh, so it waits to fill it up in the front first?
Yes, and then it dumps.
Now we know that that's a different kind of truck. Cool. That kind of truck. Look at that. So it grabs it first in the front, loads it up first. There it goes. There it goes. It's gonna dump it all in its back. All that trash.
Beep, 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 beep.
All the rest of the trash. Let's see. It's follow him. Oh, wow. You got it. Now they're all empty because that freeloader, front loader trash can. Pick all of it up. Oh, Markie, what truck is next?
It's the
Back loader's next. All right. And look at that jump. Well, the back loader picks up different types of garbage cans, right?
Yeah.
These big ones. Ooh, look at that. Whoa. Let's check it out.
It's all done.
Did you get everything?
Hey, look in the back.
Wow. Whoa. That's a lot of trash you got in there. And it all went in. Look how cool that is.
That's my baby sister.
That's Markie's baby sister. Wants to play garbage trucks. Okay. After Markie's done, okay? That's his baby sister. Markie's got a couple more. Look at. What comes next? He's front loaded right here. Say this one more.
Okay.
Okay. Street Trooper's coming too. Wait. Wow. She really wants the Sweet Trooper to come, but we're waiting for the front loader. We got one more front loader. Trash. Whoa. What else is coming in this garbage truck neighborhood? Let's see. Oh, look how it's full now. Super full. Let's see. What's coming next, Markie? Oh, the street sweeper's coming to clean the street. Oh, look how it moves. He sweeps the street. Picks up debris. Huh, Markie? Right, Gabby?
Yeah.
All right, Markie. So,
And I lost a tooth.
show us. Oh, you did lose a tooth. Man, and did the tooth fairy come?
I lost a tooth.
Oh, Gabby lost a tooth too? She didn't. She too little to lose a tooth. Show us more of the street trooper. Let's look at this thing. Let's see this street trooper.
And look.
Show us what it does.
And when you look in the front, then when we beat the horn.
Uh-huh. Oh, the lights turn on. Show me again. Show us again. How does that work? Wow.
And these two buttons does this.
That's kind of like the signal to say I'm moving back.
Yeah.
Ah, to get out the way, right? Wow. So the garbage trucks come once every week. And the street trooper comes once every 2 weeks.
And tomorrow's garbage truck day, and tomorrow we're gonna make a video.
And yes, we will. Bye, friends.
Tomorrow.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.